Imagine waking up in the morning, picking up your phone, and seeing new followers, fresh likes, comments, and DMs waiting for you on Instagram all while you were fast asleep. No posting pressure. No last-minute stress. No, what should I upload today? Panic. Just content going out automatically, perfectly timed, every single day. This isn't some fake guru promise, and it's not something only big creators or brands can do. This is real Instagram automation, and once you truly understand how it works, content creation never feels exhausting again. Right now, Instagram rewards one thing more than anything else: consistency. Not talent, not perfect lighting, not expensive cameras or fancy edits. Just showing up again and again. But humans get tired, humans get busy, motivation disappears. Life happens. Automation fills that gap. It turns Instagram from a daily struggle into a predictable, repeatable system. Let's clear one big misconception right away. Automation does not mean spamming, fake followers, bot comments, or shady growth tricks. That era is dead, risky, and can destroy your account overnight. Modern Instagram automation is smart, ethical, and creator-friendly. It's about planning once and letting systems handle repetitive work so you can focus on ideas, creativity, and growth. Everything begins with content batching. Instead of creating content every single day, you create it once or twice a week, or even once a month. You sit down, record 10, 20, or even 30 reels in one focused session, or design multiple posts together. This works because your brain stays in one creative flow, saving massive amounts of time and mental energy. Once your content is ready, scheduling takes control. Tools like Meta Business Suite, Later, Buffer, Hootsuite, or Metricool allow you to schedule reels, captions, hashtags, and even stories in advance. You upload once, select the best posting times, and Instagram handles the rest automatically, even when you're busy, traveling, or offline. Captions are where most creators silently waste hours. AI completely changes this. Instead of spending 30 minutes thinking about one caption, tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai can generate multiple caption styles in seconds: educational, emotional, storytelling, or viral style. You can prepare an entire month's captions at once, tweak them to sound human, and schedule everything effortlessly. Hashtags are another hidden time drain. Automation tools analyze your niche and suggest hashtags that actually work, not banned, not dead, not random guesses. You save hashtag groups, rotate them smartly, and stay discoverable without overthinking every post. Reels automation is where growth truly accelerates. iVideo tools can take one long video and automatically turn it into multiple short reels. Tools like Opus Clip, Vizard, or CapCut AI identify the best moments, add captions, apply effects, and export ready-to-post clips. One video can easily become 10 to 20 pieces of content. Stories can be automated too. Instead of posting randomly whenever you remember, you schedule story sequences, behind-the-scenes clips, quotes, polls, reposted reels, or reminders. This keeps your profile active every single day and sends strong consistency signals to the Instagram algorithm. Engagement still matters, and automation helps here as well. Smart auto replies allow Instagram to instantly send DMs when someone comments keywords like guide, link, or info. This boosts engagement, saves hours of manual replying, and increases conversions, without sounding robotic. DM automation is especially powerful for creators and businesses. You can welcome new followers, send links, deliver freebies, answer FAQs, and guide people into funnels automatically. When done correctly, it feels personal, smooth, and helpful, not spammy. Analytics is where automation really shows its power. Instead of guessing, tools show you exactly what's working: best posting times, top performing content, audience behavior, and engagement drops. Smart creators don't post more. They post smarter. Here's the key truth most people miss. Automation only works if your content has value. Automation doesn't fix bad content, it amplifies it. Bad content spreads faster if it's automated. But good content turns automation into a growth machine. Automation doesn't kill authenticity, burnout does. Automation protects your energy so you can stay creative without forcing yourself daily. You still create the content. The system simply delivers it consistently. Fast-growing creators aren't posting manually every day. They're running systems. Instagram isn't just a social app anymore, it's a distribution engine. Automation is how you stay in control instead of being controlled by the algorithm. A simple workflow anyone can follow. Batch content once a week, use AI for captions. Schedule posts for 7 to 14 days, automate keyword DMs, and review analytics weekly. Simple, repeatable, scalable. The future of Instagram belongs to creators who work smart, not non-stop. Automation isn't cheating, it's evolution. So ask yourself, do you want Instagram to feel like a daily job, or a system that quietly works for you in the background? If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you already automating your Instagram, or still doing everything manually? Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.